airplane seat mix-up.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? My ticket says 16B.
My ticket says 16A. 16A is the window seat.
I don't understand. Is B not the window?
No, A is window, B is middle, C is aisle.
Oh, you are right. I am sorry.
It's okay, easy mistake.
I will move now.
Thank you.
Enjoy the window.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Taxi goes different way. Good morning. Where do you want to go?
Lake Hotel, please.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, this is not the way to the lake.
I know. I am going a different way.
Why?
Less traffic. Main Street has construction.
Is this way longer?
A little, but faster.
Okay, how much will it cost?
Only a little more, maybe $1.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, I trust you.
Thank you. I know this city well.
How long do you drive taxi?
12 years.
Wow, you know all the streets.
Yes. I also know good restaurants.
Oh, really?
Yes. Try Harbor Restaurant. Very good fish.
I love fish.
Look, there is the lake.
Good. Almost there?
Yes. 3 more streets.
Your way was good. No traffic.
See? I know the city.
How much?
$9, please.
Here's $10. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Wrong money at store.
Hello.
Hello.
Cash or card?
Cash. Here is $20.
Thank you. Total is $12.50. Here is your change. $5.50.
Wait, that is not correct.
No? I think it is correct.
I gave you $20.
Yes. Price is $12.50.
Then change is $7.50, not $5.50.
Are you sure?
Yes, 20 minus $12.50 equals $7.50.
Let me check. Oh, you are right. I am missing $2.
It's okay. Small mistake.
I am sorry. Many coins. Sometimes I make mistakes.
No problem. Can I have a bag?
Yes. Bag costs 10 cents.
Okay.
So here is $7.40.
Good. Now correct.
Are you from here?
No, I am visiting from Austin.
Austin is nice.
Yes, but I like Chicago too.
Have fun in the city.
Thank you. And thanks for fixing the money.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hotel reservation problem. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for today. Name is Thomas Meyer.
One moment. I cannot find your name.
Really? I booked online 2 weeks ago.
I looked. Nothing here.
I have email here on my phone.
Can I see?
Yes. Look, today, double room, 3 nights.
I see. But no reservation number.
Yes, here, at bottom.
Ah, yes. Let me look again.
Thank you.
Still nothing. This is an error.
What can we do?
We can give you a room, same price.
Is it a double room?
Yes, with lake view.
Perfect. That is what I booked.
Price is $80 per night.
Yes. Same as my reservation.
Good. I will give you free breakfast too. I am sorry for the problem.
Thank you. Very nice.
Do you want spa?
Is it free?
No. $10 per day.
No. Thank you.
Here is your key. Room 305.
What floor?
Third floor. End of hallway.
Good.
If you need help, call front desk.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Wrong bill at restaurant.
Excuse me?
Yes? Did you like the food?
Yes, very good. But I think the bill is wrong.
Oh, let me see.
It says 2 schnitzels. I had only 1.
Oh, yes, that is wrong.
And 2 coffees. I had only 1 coffee.
You are right. I will fix it now.
What is the correct total?
One moment. Schnitzel, $12. Coffee, $2. So, $14 less?
Yes.
New total is $25.
Yes, 25 is correct.
Sorry for the mistake. We are very busy today.
No problem.
I am happy you liked the food.
Yes, the schnitzel was delicious.
Good. Do you want dessert?
No, thank you. Just the correct bill.
Here is the new bill, $25.
I will pay by card.
Put card here.
Done.
Thank you.
Thanks for fixing the bill.
Of course.
I will come back.
Great. Welcome to Miami.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Wrong backpack in park.
Hello? Excuse me?
Yes?
I think you have my backpack.
My backpack? No, this is mine.
My backpack is blue. It has a name tag.
My backpack is blue too, but no tag.
I have a red water bottle inside.
Wait. Yes, here is a red bottle.
See? That is my backpack.
Oh, I am very sorry.
No problem. The backpacks were together.
Yes, I did not look carefully.
Where is your backpack?
Over there, by the fountain.
Let's go look.
Yes, here it is. No tag.
Good. Now everything is correct.
Sorry for the mistake.
It's okay. I thought my bag was stolen.
No, just a mistake.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every Sunday.
Nice. I like the lake and ducks.
Yes, and the ice cream is very good.
Which flavor is good?
Vanilla or pistachio?
Good. I will try it.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, until Thursday.
You should visit Central Park too.
Good idea. Thanks.
You are welcome, and sorry again.
No problem. Now it is a funny story.
Next time I will put something on my backpack.
Good idea. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Dog not allowed inside cafe.
Good morning.
Good morning. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Okay, but is that your dog?
Yes, his name is Paco.
I am sorry. Dogs cannot come inside.
Really? Not even small dogs?
No, it is our rule.
I understand. But he is very quiet.
Yes, but some people don't like dogs.
Do you have outside seating?
Yes, right here.
Can I sit outside with him?
Of course, outside is okay.
Great. Can I see the menu?
Yes, right away.
Do you have coffee with oat milk?
Yes, $2.
Good. 1 coffee, please. And water for Paco.
No problem. Water is free.
Thank you.
Do you want food?
Yes, bread with tomato.
White bread or wheat bread?
Wheat bread, please.
Okay. 5 minutes.
No rush. I have time.
Here is coffee and water for Paco.
Look, Paco, your water.
Your dog is very cute.
Thanks. He loves people.
Here is your bread.
Thank you for letting me sit outside.
No problem. This way everyone is happy.
I will come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Broken fan from store.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I bought this fan yesterday. It doesn't work.
Really? It doesn't turn on?
No. I plug it in, nothing happens.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Yes, bought yesterday.
Yes.
Did you try a different plug?
Yes, but it doesn't work.
Then it is broken.
Can I exchange it?
Of course. We have the same fan here.
Can we test this one now?
Yes. Here, look. This one works.
Yes, I hear it.
Do you want this one?
Yes, please.
Do you want extra warranty? 1 year for $5.
Yes, I will take it.
Okay. Here is new receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Do you have bigger fans?
Yes. For $39.
Not today. Maybe later.
No problem. We are open every day, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Good. Thanks.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Cold soup at restaurant. Excuse me?
Yes, sir. Is there a problem?
Yes, my soup is cold.
Oh, I am very sorry.
Can you make it hot?
Yes, right away. I will take it to the kitchen.
Thank you. I wanted it hot.
Usually it is hot. This is strange.
Maybe it waited too long.
Yes, we are very busy today.
Yes, all tables are full.
It is lunchtime.
But it smells good here.
That is our fish soup.
Great, I like fish.
Here you go. Now it is hot.
Yes, I see steam. Thank you.
Do you want bread?
Yes, please, with olive oil.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, my friend told me about this place.
Nice. We are famous in Chicago.
What is the daily special?
Today it is $12. Includes dessert and drink.
Very good.
For dessert, we have pudding or fruit.
I will take pudding.
Good choice.
The soup tastes very good now.
Good. I am happy.
Thank you for the fast help.
You're welcome. We want happy guests.
I am happy. I will come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Room not cleaned at hotel.
Hello?
Hello? Can I help you?
Yes, my room is not clean today.
Really? Which room?
Room 208.
That is strange.
I left at 10 a.m. I put the sign on the door.
I will ask housekeeping.
Thank you. I need clean towels.
Do you want new sheets too?
Yes, please, and empty the trash.
One moment. Yes, there was a mistake. They thought you were in the room.
But I was not there.
I am sorry.
No problem. Can you clean it now?
Yes, in 10 minutes.
Good. I will wait in the bar.
Okay. Would you like free coffee?
Yes, please. A latte.
I will tell the waiter.
The bar is downstairs by the pool?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect.
We will call you when the room is ready.
Thank you.
Of course. How long are you staying?
Until Sunday.
We will clean your room every morning.
Very good.
We will call you soon.
Thank you for the fast help.
Thank you for your patience.
See you later.